Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question, can you upload videos to Google Photos? Firstly, open Google Photos application, tap at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. So you can click turn on backup here, or you can go to the Google Photos settings, backup, and enable it here. Also, if you enable it in the second option, check backup quality, and you need to select you want to upload it in original quality or storage saver. If you want to save some space, you can select storage saver, especially that this application shares space with not only with Google Photos, but shared with Google Drive and Gmail. Okay, after that, after you enable backup, now we can record some video. So let's do this. Let's say something like this, 4 seconds. Okay, and now we have this video at the gallery, at the phone gallery. And if I open Google Photos, as you can see, it starts uploading this video at the Google Photos. So we need to enable backup, and yes, you can upload videos. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.